Good morning. Happy Friday, you guys. Happy Friday. It's 8:10 right now, and I'm on my way going at Walmart. You guys, I am ready for today, and I need to make $200. Let's go make over $200 today, you guys. I am not going home until I make $200 plus. Can we make that tonight? Today? You guys, I'm telling you the truth. I'm not going home till I make over $200. So let's go. You guys, I'm not there yet. But I just received a new offer. $16 for 6 miles, and I'm only going. I'm only dropping two customer drop off for $16. So why not? Let's start our day like that. All right, you guys. I am at the customer's house. Let's drop our first. Okay, well, it's not opening. Okay. All right. It's not that much. We got this. We have to drive 10 minutes to our next drop off, y'all. 10 good minutes. Let's go. All right, let's drop our second order. Is this the entrance? I have to take you to the front porch. That was the back. I didn't know. So I have to read what the instruction says. So this is the front porch. I had to move it. $14 for 2.8 miles, and I'm going to shop for 7 items. Let's go. 43 here. They need 2 of this. 33. This one. 19, 16, 20, 19. 13, 7, 9, 11. What is 13? Oh, here. 32, 26, 32. 17, 13, 19, 17 here. 38 here. Need 6 of these. 6. 19. Need 2 of this. 13, 11. Here we come. 13, 11. 13, 12, 10. There we go. 13, 11. just received another offer, you guys. $21. It's a shopping order, and I'm only going to shop for 5 items, just 5 items. It's going 6.9 miles, so that's like 7 miles. So let's go in and shop this order. So everything that I'm coming to buy, y'all, it's 6 items, and they all in electronics. So I have to wait for somebody to come open up. Everything is locked up. Everything I want is locked up. So he's helping somebody right now, so let's just wait for him. Okay, I'm done, y'all. This is everything that they got. She got. So let's go. I check out. Oops. Good, how are you? Okay. Guys, I received another shopping order. $16 for 4 miles, and I only have a shop for 6 items, so I have 2 more to go. I'm going on G to get it. Okay. So far, so good, you guys. I'm getting orders every hour. So far, so good. So I just got another offer, $28 for 9.6 miles. And it's a 3 customer drop-off. So it's about time to start my offers, because it's 11:55 right now. So it's time for them to bring it out. Okay, we have a big order over here. Let's go drop it off. Okay, you guys, so somebody came to help. Thanks for her. Okay, you guys, so I'm done delivering my first one. Now let's go on our second delivery. It's 11 minutes. And remember, this was 9 miles. So let's go to our next delivery. Here. Which apartment going on? Going to 10B. The 7. And it's 10. Going to 10B. I hope this is the front door. Right, let's drop off our last one, our last order. I have to use this because you have 2 cases of water. Oh. Come on. Beautiful place. It's tiring. Just received $36, you guys. $36 for, I think, 2 miles. And I'm going to shop for 41 items. 41 items. So I'm done shopping for this order, y'all. And it took me 30 minutes. 30 minutes, y'all. 41 items. So let's go at checkout. All delivered. Let's go back. $14. It's going 3 miles, and I'm only shopping 5 items. Only 5 items. Let's go to 721. 721. Yeah. Come here. Let's go to 244. 244. 244. 31. 44 here. 349. Oh, I'm on the wrong place. 39. Alright, we are here, and the note said leave on the side door. Side door over there. As this shopping order was $20 for 4.8 miles. So let's go deliveries. It took me about, and I had to shop for 23 items. 23 items. Oh, yeah. It's been such a busy day. You guys, they just gave me $15. It's a shopping order. I have to shop for 30 items. I did not take that order. About to go shop again, you guys. $20 for 5 miles. And I have to shop for 22 items again. Yo, I'm thankful though. I'm thankful. It's 4:43 right now. 4:43, and I am almost on my goal, y'all. I'm only missing $12, you guys. $12 to meet my goal. What I said when I started this morning, I said let's go make 200. I said let's go make 200, and we're making it, y'all. We're making over 200 today. I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful. So let's go in and shop this order. All done. Let's go. 13-minute drive, you guys. 13-minute drive. Let's receive the pickup order.
Put this one in the trunk.
Trunk? Okay. Let's receive the pickup order, you guys. $30. $30 for 12 miles. So she's putting it in my car right now. This is another order I'm about to check out right now. This is 2 orders, and they paid me $22 for 66 miles. So this is one, this is A. So I'm about to check out. Okay, let's drop A. This person only ordered milk. This is the first delivery. Can I get all this in one hand? No. I'm not breaking my hand. Okay. Which door? Let me use this one because it has the door bell on. Doing Spark, y'all, it's a whole exercise. Just imagine today I did 9,000 steps, you guys. My goal is to like my daily goal for exercise to do 10,000 steps, but Spark. I just did all the steps. So I am done. And I'm done. It was such a good day. In total, we made 241, y'all. 241 in 10 hours, 10 hours and a half. Yeah, it was a very, very good day. If you enjoy watching this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Today I'm not gonna give my steps in because I did all my steps in Spark, yo, because I got like 9,000 steps from Spark. My daily walking goal is to make 10,000 steps, and from Spark only I did 9,000. So that's how busy I was today, like on my feet, shopping orders. I think I only did like two pickup order, and the rest was shopping. So anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.